Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a shark fin antenna on a Kia Optima. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a trim removal tool, a socket wrench, and a new antenna. Ensure your workspace is clean and protect your car's paint around the antenna base with painter's tape. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement process. To access the antenna, you will need to work from inside the vehicle. Carefully remove the rear dome light cover using a trim tool. Gently pull down the headliner just enough to expose the antenna's mounting nut and electrical connector. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it free. Now that you have access, it's time to remove the old antenna. Use a socket wrench to unscrew the large retaining nut holding the antenna in place. Once the nut is completely removed, carefully lift the old shark fin antenna straight up and off the roof. Take a moment to clean any residue or dirt from the mounting surface. With the old antenna removed and the surface clean, you can now install your new shark fin. Carefully position the new antenna over the mounting hole, ensuring the gasket is properly seated. From inside, thread and tighten the retaining nut securely. Reconnect the electrical connector, then gently push the headliner back into place and reinstall the dome light cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.